The SEC case on Bitcoin ETF continuing to impact the cryptocurrency prices. I'm currently short Ethereum. Let me show you why I'm shorting Ethereum. So it's good. This is Ethereum chart. You can see I'm running on a profit around 1,600. I am still in this trade. I am managing accordingly. If you watched my video last week, I said as long as price stay below the trend line, which is about 1800 area, this area here, then I will look to be a seller, which I did. We did see some buying. Let me drop down to hourly chart. You will see a lot clearer on, I believe was Wednesday or something. Yeah, Wednesday in here, or Tuesday, when the SEC has some sort of movement on, you know, the course of ruling favor to the cash market ETF. We did see some bullish run on Ethereum and Bitcoin, which I'll come to that a bit later. But if you pay attention, it's only 1 hour bar and the rest of it is not great. So what I've done is I did a very simple thing, double top and a breakout under 1700. Now I'm in the trade. It's very simple to now manage because the job is here now. Price is going lower. What I don't want to see is price come back up to my entry level. So I have an alert around this area to protect my trade. Otherwise, I like to see it continue to break lower. You can see even cryptocurrency, they said today Sunday, it said it can trade on Sunday, but the movement is very, very little. There's lack of liquidity. We did see a little bit of pullback through here, but to me, this is just profit taking. I like to see price continue to break lower, but tomorrow is US bank holiday. Will it impact cryptocurrency? We shall see. Let's see what Asian market do on Monday, but keep an eye on that. My target for this trade would be at, I have one of the swing lows. So first target is profit around £5,700, and then the last one is £4,000. So potentially I'm looking at banking this around 10k on this trade. Let's see what it brings, but later on this year I will look to be a buyer of the cryptocurrency. So keep you posted. If you are private members of my group, you will get a signal when I buy it. It's free to join. You can find the description in this YouTube video to join our private trading group. Bitcoin is similar. You know, if you look at the daily chart here, we did have some buying on Tuesday, but if you drop down to hourly, you'll see much clearer. The picture is we just had one pop higher, maybe two, and then now price is looking even more bearish, arguable than Ethereum currently. But it's not the nice areas to trade. I said multiple times. I do like to take a short position. As soon as this 25k drop below, then I'll look to be a seller of Bitcoin back down to around the 20k area. So that's my plan on Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So that's all for me for this market update on the crypto market. If you do have any question, you're welcome to drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and see you guys next week.